Hi everyone, welcome back. If you have seen some of my videos before, you know that we are working on making our camper van, building a camper van. Since Ken is busy at work, I'm going to head to work on the van and work on some video footage for you about our roof rack and our solar panels because I didn't do a good job filming those. And then we're going to work on we're going to work on sealing the rest of the ceiling tiles. Gosh, I can't talk today. Not tiles, they are like wooden planks. So let's do that. So I have my snack packed up for later, and I have this little tripod thingy that I've been meaning to use that I've been wanting to try out. So I hope you guys like the footage with it, and I'll see you in a few. So I attached my tripod thingy, and I really like doing the selfie mode with it more. It's so much easier to hold, and I think you get a better angle. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I will put a link to the specific tripod I'm using down in the description. I have some friends that are going to come with me. You want to go for a ride? You want to go for a ride? You do? Zia, how about you? Do you want to go for a ride? Tell me. Can you speak? You want to go for a ride? Speak? Oh, okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Here we are. Let's take a look at the roof rack. Okay. So let's see if we get our fan in.
Got it. Yep. So we got Dicor Lap Sealant, self-leveling. And I got it all around, good on the screws. I don't think you can have too much.
And then the roof rack is here. We got it from Van Tech. Basically what we had to do was drill holes to attach these like inserts that go into the groove of the van.
It sticks on it pretty good. Okay, so you need, this is going to go underneath. Washer, nut.
Stuff stinks.
Yeah, it's probably not good to breathe in. A lock washer. So underneath, washer, lock washer.
So washer on bottom.
Yeah, washer first, then lock washer, and then the other one, and then you take your 10mm wrench. Oh, it's not. Oh, these are good.
And then these brackets get attached to the rod, and when they're loosened, you can actually slide the beams back and forth. So what we do is we got them on, aligned them where we wanted them, so that it would be the right size to attach the solar panel. And then once we had them in place, we tightened them up and tightened up the solar panel, and that was it. And then there's a way the solar panels come with these cables that you can see here, and basically you attach like these two together, and then you attach these two together, and then you attach the grouping of these two and the grouping of these two all together into one, and then you have to run that under into holes that go through the van, which I will show you. So you have to drill 2 holes into the van for the wires, and then this little contraption that covers it comes with it, and this does too to protect the wire. And then you put silicone around it, and I'm not really sure when our silicone came loose or how we're going to get it back down. But yeah, that's not good. So I'll have to tell Ken so he can help me fix that. But that is how these go together, and you can see the ends of these cables here attached to the groupings that will then charge our inverter and batteries.